Ever pondered the link between a common health menace like diarrhea and a renowned herbal remedy like Korean ginseng? Well, today we delve into this intriguing relationship, which is not as far-fetched as it might initially seem. Diarrhea, a widespread health challenge, is characterized by frequent loose or watery stools. It's a condition that can be triggered by infections, gastrointestinal disorders, or dietary indiscretions. Left unchecked, it can lead to serious health implications such as dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, and nutritional deficiencies. It's a formidable adversary, especially for vulnerable groups like children and the elderly. On the other side of this equation, we have Korean ginseng, a cherished fixture in traditional Korean medicine. Known scientifically as Panax ginseng, it's often referred to as the king of herbs, a testament to its rich medicinal properties. Its bioactive compounds, particularly ginsenosides, offer a host of health benefits, from immune modulation and anti-inflammatory effects to gastrointestinal support and stress reduction. Now you might be wondering, what does Korean ginseng have to do with diarrhea? Recent research is starting to connect the dots. Korean ginseng's anti-inflammatory properties might help soothe intestinal inflammation, one of the culprits behind diarrhea. Its immune-modulating functions could fortify the body's defense mechanisms against infectious agents that trigger diarrhea. Plus, the herb's adaptogenic properties may help temper the stress response linked with diarrhea, fostering a sense of balance and well-being. But the story doesn't end with diarrhea. Korean ginseng's therapeutic scope reaches far beyond gastrointestinal issues. It's a formidable ally against stress, fatigue, and immune dysfunction. Its antioxidant effects guard against oxidative damage and cellular aging. It also enhances cognitive function, supports cardiovascular health, and boosts overall vitality, underscoring its reputation as a holistic wellness tonic. In a world where we often feel overwhelmed by the complexities of modern medicine, Korean ginseng offers a refreshing, natural alternative. By harnessing the healing potential of this botanical gem, we can take control of our health and well-being, tapping into the transformative power of nature's pharmacy. Whether used as a standalone treatment or as part of a comprehensive wellness regimen, Korean ginseng shines as a beacon of hope for those seeking relief from diarrhea and a multitude of other ailments. In conclusion, the relationship between diarrhea and Korean ginseng is a testament to the power of nature's wisdom. By understanding and leveraging this connection, we can open new doors to health and vitality. So here's to embracing the healing potency of Korean ginseng, a truly remarkable gift from nature.